How to hide Instagram post from someone. All you have to do now, after you open your phone, go ahead and open your Instagram app like this. So after you open your Instagram app, all you have to do now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, as you can see now you can be able to see all your Instagram posts. Here are they. All you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu now, scroll to down and tap on this where it says account privacy, this one. After you tap on this account privacy, all you have to do now, go ahead and make your account private. So if you make your account private, as you can see now, no one can be able to see your post or anything that you post. As you can see, it says when your account is public or when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you shared, including your photos or videos on Instagram. So if you make your account private, no one can be able to see what you post on Instagram except if the person is your follower or if you is your friend. So that's the best option to do that. So the second method to hide your Instagram post from someone is go back. Let's say I want to hide my Instagram post. Let's say I want to hide my Instagram post from this person. As you can see now, let's say I want to hide my Instagram post from this person. So if you want to hide the Instagram post from someone, all you have to do now, tap on this three dot after you open the person profile and go ahead and block the person. The only option for you to do that is only to block the person. So if you block the person, now the person cannot see anything about your account. That's the two method only to hide your Instagram post from someone. For now, there is no any special or any official button to hide your post from someone on Instagram. Go ahead and try one of them, either you make your account private or to block the person. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.